always like to make everything positive because I'm a positive sort of guy. So make things positive. Then you can add. Okay? That's going to be the smartest way to do that. Make things positive, then you can add. Here's the issue. Make things positive, then you can add. Some teachers teach you, well, wait, just subtract the bottom from the top. What's 2 minus a negative 3? Minus a negative is a positive, and then it's 2 plus 3 is 5. Yeah, it's going to be extra. But to me, that's harder to think about. Minusing a negative, you have to change the sign, right? It's going to be positive. I don't want to think all that hard. I just make everything positive and I add. Because I like to make things easy, because everything in math is just adding. So the more I can make it just adding, the easier it is. So I just say, hey, if I see a negative exponent, I'm going to bring it to the top or take it to the bottom, whichever. I'm going to go opposite, right? So I'm going to take the inverse and call it middle. Then I just get done. So that's that answer. Like I said, if you can do that question right there, it looks a lot more complicated than the actual answer. But break it up into pieces. Okay? If you have a problem with your parents, what should you do? Break it into pieces. Think about what the problem is, and then break it down into smaller parts, and it'll be a lot easier to put together and make sense of. Because your dad needs to be treated different than your mom. Just like the exponents need to be treated different than the what? Coefficients. Maybe one of them is more straightforward, one of them is lagging behind. One of them will see your side, and the other one doesn't ever see your side. Right? But if you learn how to solve problems, you'll learn how to solve problems, real life problems. So really, math is to get your brain to think through problems. It's just the vehicle we use. Don't try to make it. Okay? All right. Okay. Any questions on the chart of destiny? Can you handle it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Do these problems. Okay, 10 problems. 10. Here you go. 1 through 10. Put your name on this. We're going to turn this in, so make sure it's on a separate sheet of paper than the chart of destiny. Chart of destiny, you want your notes, okay? Here we go. Write all these down in case the bell rings. So write them down before you do it. You see what I mean? Because I don't know the information. So you can stop the video.